No matter how educational or informative your video is, if your background noise is not okay, everybody will click out. I mean, imagine your thumbnails is okay, your title is okay, your taggings, description, everything is okay. Only for somebody to click on your video and then discover that the video is noisy or disturbing. Everybody will dump that video and go away, which means as a YouTuber, one of the easiest way to also have your video perform well on your channel is making sure that there are no background noise. And this I'm going to be teaching you for free. Now, in case it's the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and let's go. Go ahead and open your CapCut, either iPhone or Android phone. It is a supported version, okay? Now, when it brings you here, go ahead and click on new video. So now let's pick a video of our choice. Pick any video because it's going to bring it to your gallery like this. You pick any video, then click on add. Now, when you click on add, the video will come to the editing interface just like this. Now, let's assume this is the video that we recorded from the market or on the streets or even in your house, but children were making noise or neighbors were making noise, which make that video a little bit difficult for you to upload because it will look somehow discomforting. So now, in order for us to remove this background, at your bottom left, you're going to see edit. Now, when you click on this edit, go right. We are going to be using 3 features. Now, by the end of these 3 features, no matter how difficult your background noise is, everything will be removed. The first feature is enhance voice. The second feature is reduce noise. And the third feature we're going to be using here is isolate voice. Now, these 3 features is what we are going to be using in this video. Now, let's go to the first features. Now, this first feature, which is enhanced voice, we are going to be using this to clean up our video background noise. If this can help us to clean it totally, then we might not even need to go to the second or third features, okay? So now click on the enhanced voice. Now, when you click on the enhanced voice, a Docker will open up like this. Toggle on that button you see me pointing and allow it to generate to 100%. You can see enhance voice. After it has enhanced the voice, look at that button, that noise cleanup button down. Increase it to 100% and also allow it to what? To complete to 100%. Now, click on the confirm button. Go ahead and now play your video. If you play the video and you now discover that the background noise have been removed, meaning no any other distraction in that video that has to do with noise, then you can go ahead and export. But if it has not, the background noise have not been removed, then let's go to the second features. Now, the second features, which is reduce noise. Now, what does this reduce noise does? Let me show you what this reduce noise does. This reduce noise, you can see, look at, they wrote it up. Look at what they wrote it here. They say this feature works better with audio in noisy environments, which means if you make any video in a noisy environment, aside from using your enhanced voice, you can also use this reduce noise. By the end of this 3 feature, I will tell you the best feature that is good you should always use. Now, go ahead and do what? You're going to see, look at the button down that says reduce noise. Toggle on that button. Then after you have toggled on the button, click on the confirm button. Now, after you click on the confirm button, you can as well play the video to still see if everything is okay. Now, if everything is still not okay, then this last feature should totally or completely remove your video background noise. Now, come to isolate voice. You can see isolate voice. Then click on keep voice. Now, when you click on keep voice, you allow it to generate to what? To 100%. Now, after it has generated to 100%, you can now click on the confirm button. Now, we have just tried the 3 features. So play your video now to see if everything is okay. Meaning you have used the enhanced voice, you have used the reduce noise, and you have used the isolate voice. These 3 features should have by now removed every unwanted noise in your videos. Now, the best features I will always advise you to use amongst these 3 features is the enhanced voice feature, which is the first feature we use. This one, keep your original voice, give it more vocal bass, and then everything looks original, all right, and thick. But other features is also fine, but I always prefer using the enhanced voice. It does not just remove your background noise, it also make your original voice to be more what, more advanced, or like a pro. Now, after you've done everything, at your top right, you're going to see the export button. So go ahead and click on the export, and your videos will go straight to your phone gallery, and now you can do what? You can post it on YouTube. Mind you, you need to understand that growing on YouTube, every ideas is welcome. In short, every things you have at your disposal, go ahead and use it. Are you aware that no matter how good your video is or how beautiful your video, maybe your thumbnail is fine, your description is fine, your title is fine, but when somebody now click on that video and then they discover that this video is so noisy or so disturbing, everybody will just like click out, irrespective of any information you want to pass in that video. So in case you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I actually create videos on video editing, YouTube tips, and Facebook tips, which means my channel have got you covered. And if you want me to do any topic, or you want me to do any video for you, or like you're having issues, let me know in the comment section, or feel free to ask me questions in the comment section. And go ahead, and I told you, one of the easiest way to grow as a YouTuber is leaving meaningful comments on other people's platform. Before I will see you in my next video, look at this video. If you're still struggling with maybe watch hours and 1,000 subscribers count, go and watch this video. This video will always help you. And if you are a new YouTuber, you have not set up your YouTube channel, I will advise you go and watch this video. This video will help you to set up your YouTube channel so that people can easily discover you. All right, see you in my next video. Bye bye.